Hey everyone, so today I am back. It's been a while, been busy. I purchased a new item from Amazon a couple of days ago. It came in, and so I am gonna do a open box review. So I haven't opened this box yet. I had to do that. So as you guys can as you guys can see, I do have my kayak out. And this thing that I purchased is for my kayak. I broke my DIY dolly, so I bought one on Amazon. So of course, it's a box within a box. Let's open this up. So as you can see, this is what I bought. Pretty bad. Sorry about the sun, guys. So before we go any further, I want to show you guys what I built, what I'm replacing. So this is what I'm replacing. I bought PVC pipe. I bought these all from a hardware store. Got the wheels from Harbor Freight, and it worked for a little bit, but I have two pieces here on top. They broke off, and I don't know if it's because it's the weather or what, but these went into the scupper holes on my kayak. I was going over a bump and it just broke on me. So instead of fixing this, I went ahead and bought this kayak dolly from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I can't remember how much it was. It was like probably 50-60 bucks or something like that. So so it came with a strap. This must be the center bar. There's these two. I don't know if it's long enough. What the heck? Alright, two plastic. Oh, they're not. Yeah. So there's no air in these, so you won't get a flat. Shoot, how big are these? I don't have my ruler with me. Shoot. And some hardware. There's our instruction in the back. 2 wheels, 1 manual, left and right axle, wing, screw, cart. Okay. So step 1, load the right axle and the left axle. I guess the picture shows this, so oops. I think it goes like that. Has a little hole there. So you pinch the hole. Here's that. So do that on both sides. Okay, step 2. Press the spring button and install the wheels. I'm assuming this is the inside because it's concave right here. So press that in, put it on the wheels until it, I guess, pops out on this side. That's pretty cool, actually. There's that. Step 3, slide the left and right arms into the crossbar. Left and right. I'm assuming since this one's angled that way, it goes that way. Oh, wait, no. Nope. It just goes like this, I guess. Just follow the little holes here. Clicks on. Okay. Alright guys, sorry for the weird transition. My storage, my phone ran out of storage, so I deleted a few things. But the last thing you guys saw me put on was these bars. And so you would install this onto the kayak, right? So I skipped a little bit. I mean, I guess I could unscrew this, but you put this onto the kayak just like this. You make sure it fits on both sides. Make it fit where you want it to be, and then you install these wing nuts or wing screws or whatever. And there is some I don't know if I can do that, but some markings here. You can match that on both sides. I didn't really care to do that. It's fairly straight, but that's how I did it. I put this in there where I want it. Screw these tight, hand tight, and yeah, it's not moving. Pretty simple. So my kayak does fit this little adapter on top, so I do need that. And this is how it's gonna look like when I install it. So hopefully this goes okay, because this is my first time doing it. So it's actually kind of short. Here, let me take off the video, like camera here, and it's kind of short. It doesn't come all the way up. I don't know how that's gonna. I don't know if it's gonna roll. So let me see. If it's windy, I'm sorry, guys. All right, sorry for the camera shake. All right, so I'm gonna test it out. Obviously, that did not go as planned. So this part is too short, like I showed you guys earlier. I don't know. What if I try that? Just a piece that broke off my original dolly. I'm gonna take that piece off. On. Much better. All right, so that actually worked. So I think I might end up keeping these. I mean, yeah, this part is just way too small. It just doesn't go up into the scupper holes. I mean, this is a cheap and easy fix. The right one for you. So I think I'm gonna somehow find a way to mount this here. so I have to test something. I have my little basket in the back, so I need to find a way to carry that dolly with me on the water. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'll show you guys my kayak. So I have a little 50 amp hour battery. So the crate, the bungee goes between this handle out here, just wraps back to its original mounting point. It might be a little bit noisy. I think it should be okay. It's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna fall off or anything like that. And if it falls off, it's, I guess I have other things to worry about.